Hello beautiful people, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you some quick hairstyles but look amazing. But before starting, don't forget to let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles is actually your favorite. And by the way guys, these ones will be great for those with short, medium and of course long hair. For the first one we want to select our top section, leave the bangs out. If you have them like I do, make sure to tie them in the back. Then you want to make an opening and bring your ponytail up. If you want, you can tease a little bit the base so it will be voluminous and nice. For the next one, we want to select our heavy section like I'm showing. Then you want to grab the rest, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to tie it using a clear elastic like that. Now, grabbing your heavy side, you want to bring it back. You can use a brush for that. You want to divide this section into two. Then you want to twist each section towards your face and then twist them around each other opposite way. So you want to continue a few times, like 2 times. It's okay for me. You can do 3 if your hair is really thin. And then you want to grab the ends and you want to tie it under your ponytail. But fix it first with your hand and pull a little bit your raw braid to create this voluminous effect. And then you want to tie under your ponytail another clear elastic to fix your braid. Done! For the next one, we want to smooth out our hair into a very low ponytail, like that, making sure everything is nice and smooth. So you want to tie it once, and now if your hair is short, like mine, you make sure to leave a section of hair in the front, and with the rest you want to tie it halfway through. Then you want to grab the ends and then wrap it around the elastic to hide it, making sure to use that strand to hide your end. Then you want to use some bobby pins to fix the ends in place. Use some hairspray and you're done. For the next one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. Doesn't matter if you have a side parting, you can leave it as it is. Just divide your hair into 2 sections like that. Bring one of those up, leave your bangs in the front if you want to, and then you want to tie your ponytail but halfway through like that. And you want to repeat on the other side with your second half section. Now you want to bring one of the loops through another one like that. Then you want to wrap the ends and hide it inside of our created one and fix it using bobby pins. And repeat on other side. You can pull a little bit more, use some hairspray to fix it, and done! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of this hairstyle was your favorite. Don't forget to tell me what kind of hair tutorials you'd like to see next on my Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!